When a student walks into my office and they think they want to be a special education teacher, I always ask the same question: what has brought you here? And almost 100% of the time, it was an experience with a student with a disability sometime in their past. And they just knew that they wanted to make a stronger impact on generations of students with disabilities. They've oftentimes been told, don't go into teaching. But these are things that I've learned over the past 10 years of doing this position. It's like a calling. These students really want to make an impact on students with disabilities, whether they've been told not to do it because it is a hard job, or to go ahead and move forward. And as I get to see these students through the 4 years, I see their growth and development and their passion just implode to the point where they are ready to go and take on their own classrooms to serve these students. As a result, it makes me really truly have the best job in the world, because I get to work with students who want to serve the students that need them most.